A wall TV mount saves space, improves viewing angles, enhances safety, reduces clutter, and creates a clean modern setup. Today's video is about top 5 best wall TV mount that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Montec Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The Montec Full Motion TV Wall Mount delivers a practical and flexible solution for users who want a secure and space-saving mounting system for small to mid-size TVs and monitors. Designed for 13 to 43-inch screens with VESA patterns from 75 by 75 mm to 200 by 200 mm, it works with many popular TV brands and offers broad compatibility. Its full motion functionality is a standout feature, allowing users to tilt, swivel, and rotate the screen for a more comfortable viewing experience. The +5 degrees per -15 degrees tilt helps reduce glare, while the ± or -90 degrees swivel creates flexible viewing angles for living rooms, bedrooms, offices, or corner installations. The extension range from 2.6 to 14.6 inches adds extra convenience. Built with heavy-duty steel construction and tested to support up to 44 pounds, the mount prioritizes safety and durability. The integrated cable management system also helps maintain a clean setup. With included hardware and straightforward instructions, installation is simple and user-friendly, making this mount a reliable choice for everyday use. Now our second product is Elived Econome TV Wall Mount. The Elived Universal TV Wall Mount is a solid choice for anyone looking for a sturdy, flexible, and easy-to-install mounting solution for medium to large TVs. Supporting most 26 to 65-inch televisions with a maximum weight capacity of 99 pounds in VESA sizes from 100 by 100 mm to 400 by 400 mm, it offers broad compatibility for many TV models and brands. One of its strongest features is its full motion adjustability. The mount allows a +5 degrees per -10 degrees tilt to reduce screen glare, a ± or -45 degrees swivel for multiple viewing positions, and ± or -3 degrees leveling for precise alignment. Its 6 articulating arms create smooth movement while extending up to 14.1 inches and retracting to just 2.3 inches from the wall, helping maximize viewing comfort and save space. Built with durable cold-rolled steel, the mount feels secure and dependable for everyday use. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hardware kit and clear instructions. Overall, this mount combines strength, flexibility, and convenience, making it suitable for homes, offices, gyms, and more. Our third product is Mountup Long Arm TV Wall Mount. The Universal Full Motion TV Wall Mount is an excellent option for users seeking maximum flexibility and extended viewing range for larger TVs, designed to support most 42 to 75-inch TVs with VESA compatibility up to 600 by 400 mm and a weight capacity of 99 pounds. It works with a wide variety of flat and curved LED/LCD televisions. Its biggest advantage is the impressive 37.9-inch extra-long extension arm. Unlike standard mounts, the triple folding arm design provides greater reach and flexibility, making it easier to watch TV from different parts of a room or even adjacent spaces. When not in use, it retracts to about 3 inches from the wall, helping maintain a cleaner appearance. The mount also delivers strong viewing customization with ± or -90 degrees swivel, +5 degrees per -10 degrees tilt, and ± or -3 degrees leveling adjustments. Its single-stud design is especially useful for corner installations, creating more room layout possibilities. Built with a sturdy design and supplied with installation hardware and instructions, this mount offers a dependable combination of versatility, convenience, and space-saving functionality. Now number 4, Pearl Gear Corner TV Wall Mount. The Long Arm Full Motion TV Wall Mount is a dependable and highly flexible solution for users looking to optimize viewing angles and room layout options. Compatible with 37 to 75-inch TVs and VESA patterns from 200 by 100 mm to 600 by 400 mm, it supports a wide range of television models and wall types, including wood studs, concrete, and brick surfaces. One of its strongest features is the extended reach, offering up to 32.37 inches of extension while retracting back to just over 3 inches from the wall for a cleaner appearance. This makes it especially useful for corner installations or larger rooms where multiple viewing positions are needed. The mount also provides smooth ± or -90 degrees swivel movement, -15 degrees to +5 degrees tilt adjustment, and ± or -4 degrees post-install leveling for precise positioning. Safety is another highlight. with a UL-listed design capable of supporting TVs up to 100 pounds. The reinforced swivel hinge improves stability and durability. Combined with straightforward installation and labeled hardware, this mount offers a reliable blend of convenience, flexibility, and strong performance. And our last choice is mounting Dream TV Wall Mount. The universal fixed TV wall mount is a strong and practical choice for users who want a clean, space-saving setup for larger televisions. Designed to support most 42 to 84-inch flat or curved TVs with a maximum capacity of 132 pounds, it offers wide compatibility with many VESA mounting patterns and popular TV brands. Its standout feature is the ultra-slim low-profile design that keeps the TV only 1.1 inches from the wall. This creates a sleek, modern appearance that blends naturally with home decor while maximizing available space. The fixed mounting style also provides a stable and secure installation for larger screens. Built with a heavy-duty wall plate and robotic welding construction, the mount delivers excellent strength and durability for long-term use. The quick-release pull strap design simplifies attaching or removing the TV without requiring extra tools, while labeled hardware and installation guides make setup easier. Overall, this mount is an excellent option for users prioritizing simplicity, stability, and a clean wall-mounted appearance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.